In this sprawling factory, raw coconut shells arrive, ready to begin their transformation. Workers carefully inspect the piles, ensuring only the best quality shells move forward.
This creates the raw char, which is then activated with high-pressure steam.
The shells travel along a moving conveyor, carried toward the first stage of cleaning. Dust and debris are carefully removed, preparing them for the journey ahead. Through vibrating sieves, impurities are separated from the coconut shells. Each shell must be pure to guarantee high-quality activated charcoal. Magnetic separators remove any traces of metal, a crucial step to protect the machines and ensure a safe, clean production process. Powerful water jets wash the shells, rinsing away dust and leftover fibers. Clean shells are essential for the next stages of carbonization.
High-pressure water jets ensure a thorough cleaning, removing impurities before the shells move on to the kilns.
After washing, the shells are drained and dried. Conveyor belts gently move them forward, ready for intense heat treatment. The shells enter the rotary kiln, where flames begin the carbonization process. Slowly, the coconut shells turn black, releasing smoke and transforming into charcoal. Inside the furnace, the shells glow with intense heat. This stage determines the strength and purity of the future activated charcoal. After carbonization, the shells are carefully cooled on metal trays. Workers monitor the process, ensuring the charcoal is perfectly prepared for grinding. The cooled shells are ground into coarse charcoal. This raw material is the first step toward creating the fine, activated form used worldwide.
The pulverized charcoal now enters the activation furnace, where intense heat begins the transformation process.
Pulverized charcoal is transported to the activation furnace. Here, chemical and thermal processes will unlock its absorptive power. Steam and controlled chemical treatment activate the charcoal. The material begins to absorb impurities like never before. A magical transformation in motion. The activated charcoal is poured into trays, steam rising and smoke curling around the edges. Workers carefully manage every tray, maintaining quality and consistency.
Still glowing hot from the kilns, is carefully poured into these cooling trays.
Cooling tanks bring the activated charcoal to the right temperature. Each batch is inspected for color, texture, and purity.
Sieving is crucial to achieve this fine powder consistency, ensuring high-quality activated charcoal.
Next, the charcoal is sieved into fine powder. Only perfectly uniform particles move forward, ensuring consistent quality for industrial and consumer use. High-pressure washing removes any remaining impurities. Every grain is refined, reflecting the care and precision of this process.
Next, the carbonized shells are aggressively washed. This high-pressure spray eliminates water-soluble impurities.
Drying chambers remove moisture, leaving only pure, dry activated charcoal, ready for final testing and packaging. In the on-site laboratory, samples are tested. Experts evaluate texture, color, and absorption capacity, ensuring the product meets global standards. Once approved, the charcoal is ground to its final fine powder form, creating the product we recognize as activated charcoal. Powder moves to the packaging line. Automated machines fill bags and containers with precise measurements, ready for shipment.
The final stage sees the freshly activated charcoal moving down the line, filling these small containers, ready for sealing and distribution. The
Sealing
activated
machines
charcoal
close
is
each
now
package
ready for the
tightly,
final stage,
preserving
where the bags
freshness
are
and
sealed at
maintaining
high
quality
temperatures
for
to
consumers
lock in
around
the
the
purity.
world. Labels are applied, providing information and branding. Each package is carefully inspected before leaving the line.
Once carbonized, the charcoal is bagged and moved down the line for cooling and storage.
Filled bags travel along the conveyor, moving efficiently toward the next stage, demonstrating the precision of this industrial process. Boxes are filled with individual bags, stacked and organized. Every box is accounted for, ready to reach its destination. Forklifts transport the finished boxes to the warehouse. Workers ensure each shipment is carefully stored and tracked.
From raw husk to finished product, every step is carefully monitored to create the highest quality activated charcoal.
Workers inspect the final product, confirming quality. Their dedication ensures that only the best activated charcoal reaches the market. A sweeping view of the factory shows the synchronized operation of machines and workers, producing activated charcoal on an industrial scale. Close-up of glowing charcoal emphasizes the intense heat and precision required to transform coconut shells into activated charcoal. Workers stir trays of charcoal, ensuring uniform activation and maintaining quality throughout the batch. Fine powder moves along conveyors toward packaging, showcasing the seamless industrial workflow. Machines grind remaining coarse charcoal into a fine, consistent powder, preparing it for final packaging.
This batch is running smoothly. The new filtration system is working well.
Yes, the powder quality is excellent.
Activated charcoal flows into packaging funnels, a mesmerizing sight of black powder
Cut the steam
in
flow
motion.
immediately.
The coconuts
Workers
have now
carefully
become
monitor the
activated
activation
charcoal.
furnace,
We bag the fine
ensuring
black powder
safety
here at
and
the end of the
quality
line,
during the critical
ensuring every
transformation
package is sealed
process.
tight.
Close-up reveals neatly packed bags of activated charcoal, ready for distribution and daily use.